Okay, so you're gonna want a set of weights today. Today we're doing Tabatas. We're gonna start with a burpee beep test. We're gonna finish with a burpee beep test. And then we got Tabatas in between. I think we've got 7 different Tabatas. With 2 moves each, and we'll alternate moves. So we're gonna start with a burpee beep test. So my timer, every time it beeps, you're gonna go down. So you're gonna start holding squat. Every time my timer beeps, you're gonna go down, push up, come up, jump, and drop back into squat. My timer's gonna beep again, push up, come up, jump, back into squat. So every time you hear my timer beep, you drop down. I'll try to also call it. It's gonna get faster and faster. That's our starter. Okay, so my timer's gonna beep. We're gonna start in squat right now. Listen for the timer and go. Down, push up, jump, squat. I need to see my timer. Again. Again. Let's go. 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 Again. It's getting closer. Go. 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 Again. 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 And time. Okay. That's our starter. We'll finish that way too. So first 2 moves, more push-ups. So you're gonna do 2 push-ups for the first 20 seconds. 2 push-ups, come up, 2 jump lunges, go back down for 20 seconds. Second 20 seconds, after the break, alternating moves. So you're gonna have your palms front, and you're gonna curl up towards the opposite shoulder, and then the other one. Okay? Those are our moves. First round of Tabatas. Okay. We go in 3, 2, 1, go. 2 push-ups, 2 jump lunges, and then 2 jump lunges. Back down. As many as you can do. 3, 2, 1. Good, you got 10 seconds. Oh, that sounded weird. 3, 2, 1. Let's curl. This timer's very 13. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. Switch. You got 10 seconds. 2 push-ups, 2 jump lunges. 2, 1. Let's go. Four, 3, 2, 1, and time. Grab those weights. It's our second set. We've got 4 sets of each move. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Can't see my timer. This one's it's better there. 3, 2, one. Good. Sound of vibration. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. 2 push-ups. 2 jump lunges. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. Grab those weights. Round 3. 3, 2, 1. Curl. One more set of each move after this. Then we go on to our second Tabata. 3, 2, 1. Okay, last set. 2 push-ups, 2 jump lunges. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Four, 3, 2, 1. Okay, grab those weights. Curls. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Ten seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time. First Tabata is done. 6 to go. Okay. 2 by 2 high knees. And walk out plank to walking push-up or walking plank. Walk out plank to walking plank. Walk back to rock star. So 2 by 2 high knees, first 20 seconds. Then you're gonna walk your hands out. Once you get to plank, walk down, down, up, up. Walk yourself back. From there, you can just stand, you can do a jump up, or you can do a rock star. Your choice. So no weights needed for this round. 20 seconds on, 2 by 2 high knees. We go in 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. It's 4 times for each move. Three, 2, 1. Good. You get 10 seconds. So walk out, walk the plank, walk back, stand, jump, or rock star. 2, 1. Let's go. Round 2. 2, 1. Let's go. Still find it hard to see. I got glare, shadow. 9. 3, 2, 1. Okay. Walkouts. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Three, 2, 1. Okay. 2 by 2s. 2, 1. Let's go. one. Walkouts. Second last round. 2, 1, go. 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Last one. And let's go. Three, 2, 1. Okay. Walk it. That was Daisy. 2, 1. She's snoring. And she's right like under the camera. Four, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Rest. 2 down. 5 to go. We're doing lucky number 7 today, Tabatas. Okay, so you only need one weight. We're gonna do single arm, right arm the first one, left arm the second. So bent over position, you're going to do an I raise, then a Y, here's your Y, and then your T. And then back to your Y, and then back to your I. So bent over, I, Y, T flies, and then you're gonna do a squat hop forward, squat hop back, right and left. That's move number 2. Do you want one of these? Okay, so we start with the flies. I, Y, T, right arm. In, 4, 3, 2, 1, let's go. So, half, I, Y, T, Y, I. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. The next time we do that, it's going to be the left arm. Squat hops, forward, back, side to side. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Seconds. I think I'm seeing it right. No, 2, 1. I can't see this. It's really bad. Okay, left arm. You're gonna have to hold it. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. I, Y, T. 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, squat hops. Forward, back, side to side. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, back to the right side. IYT. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, squat ups. Third time. 2, 1, let's go. Lots of cardio today. Little bits of strength thrown in. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Left side, IYT. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Six, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, squat ups, last time. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Forward, back, side to side. This is the last one in this Tabata. We got 10 seconds. We got 4 more Tabatas coming up. 3, 2, 1. Okay, if you need water, grab water. We're 3 down, 4 Tabatas to go, and we finished with that burpee beep test like we started with. Okay. Hey, good morning, Dan. Happy Father's Day. Okay, so first move, you're going to be in plank. Now we're going to alternate plank row, kick back, row, kick back. So we're going to alternate every time we're in plank. From there, you're going to need space. So you're going to do that. Remember, I don't remember if it was last week or the week before. I'm going to lose my vest for this. You're going to do a ninja jump up, big jump forward, and then hops back. So jump up, so you can either stand up, big jump forward, and then little hops back. You can do that full jump up, or you can use your hands, big jump forward, little hops back. Or that full, I'm not gonna have my vest on or I won't get up. Okay, so those are our moves. Plank, row to kick back, alternating sides, and then ninja jump tuck. Sorry, ninja jump up, jump forward, hop back. Okay, everyone ready? So, if you don't have 2 equal size weights, Chris has 2 different size weights, so every round he's gonna switch. So his right arm will be heavier and then the left arm will be lighter, and then you switch. Okay, 3, 2, 1, let's go. You guys can do that as well. Row, kick back. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so I'm gonna clear my weights. Ninja jump up, jump forward, hop back. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Seconds. 3, 2, 1. Good. Row, kick back. Hopefully everyone got that okay. That was round 1, so hopefully you figured out what works for you. 2, 1, let's go. Row, kick back. This is our 4th of 7 Tabatas. Lucky number 7 today. With a starter and finisher burpee beep test. 3, 2, 1. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. 1. Let's go. Watch those hips. No rotation. Try to keep them strong. Parallel to the ground. 2, 1. Okay. Ninja jump up. Jump forward. Hop back. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Nine. 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, last one. Working hard. Keep going. Last one. Let's go. Row kick back. Seconds. One more set of ninja jump ups. Jump forward. Hop back. 3, 2, 1. Okay, time. 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Three, 2, 1, and time. Okay. Number 5. So I'm gonna kneel. You guys can kneel as well if you want, just so I can be in the camera. You can stand as well. So you're gonna do Arnold press. So palms face you, press up, face out, and back in. Out, and back in. Move number 2, strict mountain climbs. You can always choose to do basic mountain climbs as well. So knees in for basic, feet to the outside, the same hand for higher intensity. Okay, your choice. Arnold press, strict mountain climbs. Our 5th, yeah, 5th Tabata. Okay, if you gotta modify, for any reason you modify where you need to. We go in 4, 3, 2, 1, let's go. So you got a bit of rotation coming out of those shoulders. So you can do kneeling or standing, your choice. I find, oh, this direction, I stay in the camera. Usually when I have it the other way, landscape, I'm out. 2, 1, and time. So I'm gonna keep my weights with me. I'm gonna have my hands on them to do my strict climbs. It's up to you if you do. 3, 2, 1, let's go. You can always, if you find these difficult, step, step, step. Or you can do the mountain climbs or the jumping version. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, Arnold press. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Even I can't see my clock here. Better. 10 seconds. 2, 1. Good. Back down to the ground. Strict climbs. 2, 1. Let's go. Seven seconds. 3, 2, 1. Time. Okay, back to those presses. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Eight seconds. This is round 3. 3, 2, 1. Okay. Mr. Climbs. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Ten more. 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Last round. Vernal breath. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Six, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Strict climbs. 2, 1. Let's go. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh. Okay. You need a sip of water. Grab a sip of water. Two more, Tabatas. What time is it? 9:30. We might do a core bonus, might. We'll see on the time. Okay. Next Tabata. So you're gonna need space again. I'm pretty much gonna have to do it sideways. So I'm gonna do a mini version to show you. You're gonna do a big skater jump over it, and then I want you to land and stay on one foot for a beat, and then the other way. But it's a big jump, land, stabilize, big jump, land, stabilize, big jump. That's move number 1. Move number 2, hammer curl to a press, to a tricep extension, and then back down. So 2 moves, 20 on, 10 off, alternating moves. Then we got one more set after this. Okay. Skaters, curl press triceps. Okay, so I'm gonna do it sideways. We go in 3, 2, 1, let's go. Big jump, land, stabilize. Land. 3, 2, 1. I couldn't stabilize. My left is worse than my right. Okay, grab those weights. Curl, press, tricep extension. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. I'm trying to find a spot where I can see my clock. It's very, I think the battery must be losing or dying. 3, 2, 1. Okay. 3, 2, skater pause. 1, let's go. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, curl press, tricep extension. 3, 2, 1, let's go. 9 seconds. 2 more rounds to go. 3, 2, 1. Nice. Okay, skaters with a pause. And go. Four, 3, 2, 1. That was my best round yet. I did better there on my pauses. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Ten seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Last set. Skater pause. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Three, 2, 1. Okay. Last set. Curl press, tricep. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. We got 2 moves coming up. Our last Tabata. Our 7th set. And then we finish with a burpee beep test. 3, 2, 1. Okay. And time. So we're gonna do deadlift, but it's a slight different variation. You're gonna stagger your feet. So round 1, right foot will step forward. So it's just gonna be slightly forward in front of the left. You're still gonna hinge and then back. You'll feel it more in that front hamstring. And then the next round, it'll be the left leg a little bit forward, staggered stance, deadlift, and then right and left. And in between, plank jacks with shoulder taps. Okay, those are our last 2 moves for Tabata. Okay, we go in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Stagger leg, right leg in front, hinge forward, and back. So I find these are enough for me. But if you want to go heavier, you can go heavier. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Remember to squeeze the bum at the top and push those hips forward. Plank jack, shoulder taps. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. When your feet jump out, one hand taps opposite shoulder, and then you switch. I know you've all done these before. If you've got a modification, you go ahead and use it. You can just do plank jacks, or you can do 2, and then 2, and then 2, 2, 1. Let's go, left leg front. So it's just a small step in front. 2, 1, let's go. Down and up. Can't see. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, plank jack, shoulder taps. 3, 2, 1, go. 10 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Okay, right leg forward. Staggered deadlift. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Nine seconds. 3, 2, 1. Good, plank jack. Shoulder taps. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. This is our third set. Three, 2, 1. Okay, left leg forward. Last round. 2, 1, let's go. Nine seconds. Plank jack, shoulder taps. And then we're gonna do burpee beep test. 2, 1, and then we might do a few abs. Even though we're getting lots of plank in here today. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1, and time. Okay. We're almost done. So, squat, drop down, push up. Every beep you hear, up, jump, back into squat. So you're gonna hold squat. When you hear the beep, drop down, push up, jump, back down, hold the squat. Okay. When you're ready. So it gets faster and faster. It's not too long, I don't know, maybe 2 minutes, maybe less. Okay, we go. We start holding that squat now. 3, 2, 1, go. 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 Again. 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 Go. 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 Again. Again. And done. Okay, let's do it. Let's drop down, hollow man. Okay. So hollow hold. When I say flip, you're gonna flip over on one side, hold side plank, and you're gonna go back to hollow hold, and then I might say little pulses. This is your pulse. Every time you flip, alternate sides. Okay. Okay, 3, 2, 1, let's hold. Flip. So let's go right. Side plank. Back to hollow. hold. Left side plank. Don't worry, butt facing, you guys. So I'm going this way. Hollow hold, little pulses. So it's like you're making a little V. Keep going. Side plank, right, flip. Hollow, little V's, or little pulse. Keep going. Side plank, left, hold. Okay, hollow man hold. Last round through. This is a hold, then we're going to do right hold, then we're going to do little pulses, then we're going to do left hold to finish. Keep holding, keep holding, keep holding. Keep those shoulder blades up, keep those feet up, up, up. And flip. Right side. Back to hollow man, little pulses. Little pulse, little pulse. 10 more pulses. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, left side, side plank, hold. Three seconds, 2 seconds, 1 second, and done. Well done. It is 9:46. Not bad. Okay. High five. Well done, you guys. Awesome job.